Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So we're going to do a Tidy Tuesday Power Half Hour. It's what I'm calling it, a Tidy Tuesday Power Half Hour. I have a few things that I need to get accomplished in the house, and so I made a list, and we're going to see what we're able to get done within 30 minutes or a half hour. So I'm going to start in the living room and work my way backwards towards the back of the house. In the living room, I do have to switch out my curtains. I changed them out for Christmas, but I want to change them back. I'm going to roll the couches to make sure there's no dog hair visible or that we just have not rolled. I want to spray the furniture down with that fabric spray. We're going to do just a light dusting on the side buffet and the sofa table, and then we're going to vacuum that floor. We're also going to do the entryway table. So just a quick light dusting with a Clorox type wipe. Then we're going to work our way backwards into the kitchen. And in the kitchen, I want to clear my countertops, unload the dishwasher, wipe down the countertops, wipe the fridge, the microwave, and do the cabinets. We did not do Fly Lady Zone 2 last week, but I'm just going to try to do a little bit of what would be considered Zone 2, and hopefully this doesn't take me long. The kids will help me in the kitchen. They're going to help everywhere, but really help a lot in the kitchen, so that'll cut down on our time. And we also need to steam mop the floor, so we'll sweep it and steam mop. In the kids' bathroom, I'm going to remake the swish and swipe water, so I'm just going to do both of those, one for theirs and one for mine. We are actually going to do the swish and swipe, and then we're going to wet and steam mop the floor, and I'm actually going to declutter a little bit in there. There's just a few things that need to come out, so I'm just going to pull those out. So we just thought we would bring you along. And in the master bedroom, if we have enough time, I'm going to do a little bit of light dusting, just using a wet Clorox wipe, and then vacuum the floor and sprinkle with baking soda. I'm going to light a couple candles throughout the house just so it smells good in here. And I'm hoping that this will all happen within about a 30-minute period. We'll see how much we're able to do, and we just thought we'd bring you along with us as we get it done. Okay, everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is late. We started off with a power half hour that turned into a power hour that went to like a power hour and a half. We just had a lot of things to do. One of the things that I'm recognizing now, and I know I have a busy schedule, but if you do 15 minutes every day, then it's not as much on the weekends. I do have way more time to clean on my off days, but I do need to make time to do something on the flight plan every day. We kind of did more of a weekly home blessing, but throwing in a few zones as well. So today was a learning experience for us, and we were able to accomplish quite a bit, but not everything we had on our list. So in the kitchen, we did clear our counters, we unloaded the dishwasher, we wiped the countertops, we wiped the fridge, I cleaned out the microwave, we wiped the cabinet, and we steam mopped the floor. Jackson had a great time doing that. So we got that list completed. In the kids' bathroom is probably where we spent the most time. We did the swish and swipe water. We we had this little magazine rack in there that was holding the swish and swipe water, the rags, and something, the spray cleaner. We just took that out. It was too much in there. We did the swish and the swipe, but I actually had to get on my knees and really go around the bottom of the toilet, because, you know, boys are just boys. And so I really wanted to make sure that bathroom was clean. And then we did sweep, dust off the rugs, and steam mop that floor. I also lit a candle in there. New candles in the kitchen. And then in the living room, we did the curtains, we did the couches, I sprayed everything, we did a light dust and a vacuum. So I'm just going to show you those areas right now and let you see what we were able to get done. But thank you so much for stopping by our channel. We do appreciate you and everything. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell, that way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for the walkthrough of our 3 spaces.